Let's look at E. IO minus. Does the anion contain only one atom? The answer is no to question number 1. Because it contains 1 plus 1 equals 2 atoms. We proceed to step 2. Does the formula match one of the polyatomic anions I want you to memorize? The answer is no. We proceed to step 3. Does the formula contain H? The answer is no. We proceed to step 4. Does the formula have the same elements as any polyatomic anion I want you to memorize? If you remember the 15 polyatomic anions, you will know that there's no polyatomic anion in this list that has the same elements as IO minus. Therefore, we will go to this box again. According to this box, we need to name ClO minus first. If you look at the periodic table, Cl and I are in the same group. Then, according to the flowchart, we need to go back to step 2 to name ClO minus first. Well, let's follow the flowchart. Does the formula match one of the polyatomic anions I want you to memorize? The answer is no. Does the formula contain H? The answer is no. We go to step 4. Does the formula have the same elements as any polyatomic anion I want you to memorize? The answer is yes. Because we have ClO4 minus contains chlorine atom and oxygen atoms. ClO minus also contains chlorine atom and oxygen atom. The answer is yes to question number 4. Then we use rule B to get the name of ClO minus. ClO4 minus has the name of perchlorate. The prefix is per, the suffix is ate. ClO minus has 3 less oxygen atoms than ClO4 minus. According to this rule, 1 less, 2 less, 3 less. Since ClO4 minus is called perchlorate, then ClO minus should be called hypochlorite. It has ite as the suffix, hypo as the prefix. Then we need to go back to this box again. We are here. We already named the ClO minus. Then we use the same prefix and same suffix to name the original oxy anion we want to name, which is IO minus. I has the name of iodine. This ion should have the name hypoiodite. ClO minus and IO minus should have the same prefix and same suffix. Then let's look at our last example, NO2 minus. The answer is no to question number 1 because it contains 1 plus 2 equal to 3 atoms. Then we proceed to step 2. Does the formula match one of the polyatomic anions I want you to memorize? The answer is no. When I answer question number 2, I did not show you the list of the polyatomic anions because I assume that you already remember them. Since the answer is no to question number 2, we proceed to question number 3. Does the formula contain H? When we look at the formula, we can see that it does not contain H. The answer is no to question number 3. We proceed to step 4. Does the formula have the same elements as any polyatomic anion I want you to memorize? Well, we do find one, NO3 minus. Well, you can see that NO3 minus is here. The name is nitrate. During an exam or a quiz, you will not be given this list of polyatomic anions. Let's look at the flowchart again. The answer is yes to question number 4. Because NO3 minus and NO2 minus has the same 2 elements in their formulas. Then we need to use rule B to get the name of NO2 minus. It has ate as a suffix for NO3 minus. And NO2 minus has 1 less oxygen atom than NO3 minus. NO3 minus is here, nitrate. When we take away 1 oxygen atom, we will come here. It will become nitrite. As we can see from these examples, some of the examples are pretty challenging and some of the examples are pretty easy. But that's the nature of the problem. It's not the problem of my flowchart. I hope after I go over these examples, You will know how to use this flowchart to name any anion in this class. Good luck.